In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept payments on Squarespace. We'll start right inside your Squarespace site dashboard. From the main menu, open the Invoicing section. This area is where you can bill clients directly through Squarespace, track payments, and keep your records organized. If you don't see it, make sure you're viewing the correct site and that your plan supports invoicing in your region. Next, choose Invoice to begin creating a new invoice. You'll see a blank invoice layout. Before you can send anything, you need a recipient, so select. Add a client to this invoice. If the client isn't in your list yet, pick Add New Client. You'll be prompted for the client's basic details, such as their name and contact information. Enter what you have on hand. This is what will appear on the invoice and where notifications are sent. If you're just exploring the flow or not ready to add someone yet, you can back out safely by clicking Cancel, which returns you to the invoicing dashboard without saving changes. Now let's set up a way to accept payments on your site from visitors and supporters. Open the Donations area from the left menu. This is perfect for nonprofits, creators, or anyone who wants to accept contributions without sending an invoice. Inside the Donations settings, choose Standard Donation. This option gives you a straightforward donation experience that's easy to configure and quick to launch, with options you can fine-tune later, like suggested amounts and messaging. With donations enabled, head to Pages to add a dedicated place for visitors to give. Select Add a Page, then choose the Donations page type. Squarespace will create a new donations page that includes the essentials, like a donation form and a clear call to action. Confirm the selection and, if you like, adjust the page title or placement in your navigation so people can find it easily. You can personalize the content and styling afterward to match your brand. When your invoicing and donations setup looks good, return to your site's home in the dashboard. The final step is to publish your site so everything goes live. Click Publish your site. After publishing, your invoices can be sent and paid online, and your donations page will be ready to accept contributions securely through Squarespace's checkout. As a quick tip, preview your pages before you publish, and, once live, run a small test transaction to confirm everything flows the way you expect. That's all you need to start accepting